Don't blame the shots when the shooter is you.
I don't blame the shots, not shoot for the shooter.
Those are the ones who belong in the future.
Not me.
Yes, you. Don't blame the shots when the shooter is you.
I don't blame the shots, not shoot for the shooter.
Those are the ones who belong in the future.
New music, new name, new vibe, new me. Same heart, same soul, same body, old me. They say people don't change, but I disagree. Cause look at me, what the fuck do you see? You see, music's everything to me in the world. Made me who I am, with so much hard work. Some say I got no content, a failure, the worst. But now listen carefully before you use those words. I do it for the rhyme, the music, everything. Write what I feel and regret nothing. I'm not gonna lie and say I don't want money. Of course I want it, I'm human, not monkey. But I don't go for it,
It's just standard.
I go for greatness, that's the answer. I got bigger dreams. I got not me.
Yes, you. Don't blame the shots when the shooter is you.
I don't blame the shots, not shoot for the shooter.
Those are the ones who belong in the future.
Not me.
Yes, you. Don't blame the shots when the shooter is you.
I don't blame the shots, not shoot for the shooter.
Those are the ones who belong in the future.
Hey, it's me. I'm back. Been sleeping, but it's time to wake up from this nap. And my mind's a mess, but I ain't got no stress. Guess I got the gene, I'm like the man from X. I got a vicious temper, a fire. I don't like that twin of him, I'm terrified. But that's what we all need now. Cause the world is mad, everybody watch out. The war is upon us, the World War III. The unexpected to expect cybernetic fee. Hold the lives, hold the egos, hold the data so we can all be amigos. Superiors, we are full of them. Leaders,
Few are there.
but you're an LAB, like in local ass bitch. You can fly with me cause you can even lift this. It's hard to read me up, I'm not yet famous. Better underrated than infamous. Many people listen.
So if you understand, you gotta feel it so you can be glad about something so beautiful that's poetry, not just A to Z.
Stop the hate, I told you why it is like this. Don't worry, in the end I'm still born.